Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will show you a very detailed step-by-step recipe to prepare a popular Christmas sweet that finds its rightful place in every Christmas platter. I have very fond memories of my mother making this delicious Christmas sweet. This recipe is time-tested, easy to make, and the results are always perfect. Our recipe for today is everyone's favorite Neureos. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients for the dough. Take 2.5 cups or 300 grams of sieved all-purpose flour or maida, half tablespoon of rice flour, half tablespoon of fine semolina or rava, also called suji, 2 tablespoons of slightly heated ghee or clarified butter, quarter teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients for the filling. 250 grams or 2.5 cups of lightly roasted desiccated coconut. Take 100 grams or slightly less than 2/3 cup of cashew nuts without skin. Coarsely grind the cashew nuts in a dry grinder for 2 seconds at a time, which is also called pulsing. 100 grams of slightly roasted amaranth seeds or Rajgira seeds. If you can't find amaranth or Rajgira seeds, then Rajgira laddus can also be crushed and used. 150 grams, which is half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar powder. Sugar powder can be made by grinding sugar in a dry mixer at home. Half teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder. 100 grams of raisins or kismis, which must be cut into pieces. 50 grams of lightly roasted sesame seeds. Step 3. Preparing the dough. In a container, add the rice flour. Also add the fine semolina or rava or suji. Mix it nicely. Add half of the slightly heated ghee or clarified butter. Mix until all the ghee is absorbed. Add the sieved all-purpose flour or maida. Now add the salt. Mix it nicely.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the remaining heated ghee or clarified butter. The ghee mixture should be properly mixed with all the flour. Do also check out our playlist for Christmas sweet recipes by pressing the link shown at the top right-hand corner of your screen now. This link is also provided in the description box. Add half cup or 120 ml of water, little at a time. Add little more water if needed to make a soft dough. Dough should not be too soft nor too hard. Massage the dough nicely.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Wrap the dough with a moist muslin or cotton cloth and keep it aside for 1 hour. Step 4. Preparing the filling. In a bowl, add the lightly roasted desiccated coconut. Add the coarsely ground cashew nuts. Add the slightly roasted amaranth or Rajgira seeds or crushed amaranth laddus. Amaranth seeds are considered a super healthy food. It also has innumerable health benefits. Using amaranth seeds in this recipe is completely optional. If it's not available, you can skip it. Add the sugar powder Add the cardamom or elaichi powder. Add the pieces of raisins or kismis. Add the lightly roasted sesame seeds. Mix everything properly. Check for sweetness and add sugar powder if required. Our Neuri filling is ready. Step 5. Preparing the Neuris. After 1 hour, the dough is ready to use. Divide the dough into small round balls. Flatten each ball and roll it into a thin circle. Place the rolled dough on the Neuri maker and adjust it properly. Put the filling in each half. Ensure sufficient filling is put. It should neither be less nor more. It should not be hollow on the inside. Wet the edges with water using a cotton cloth. This is done to seal the edges firmly. Close and press the edges firmly. Trim the edges. Neuris can also be made without a Neuri maker. If Neuri maker is not used, then trim the edges with the help of a Neuri cutter. Once the Neuri is done, keep them covered under a moist cloth until they are fried to prevent them from drying. Step 6. Frying the Neuris. Keep an open, heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat. Take sufficient cooking oil for deep frying. To test if the oil is hot, drop a small piece of dough in the oil. If it bubbles and comes to the surface immediately and doesn't burn, the oil is ready for frying. Once the oil is hot, add the Neuris one at a time. Fry few Neuris at a time. Do not overcrowd the pan.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
After a minute or two, turn the Neuris. Ensure that they are not over-fried or burnt.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Once golden brown, remove the Neuris. Place the Neuris on a paper napkin or strainer to get rid of the excess oil. Cool the Neuris completely and then store them in an airtight container. Delicious and irresistible Neuris are ready. These Neuris will definitely add a sweet twist to your Christmas platter. Do also check out our other interesting Christmas sweet recipes.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.